Hi, this is Smita Dev and welcome to Get Curried. Today I'm going to show you a quick breakfast fix. It's called the masala eggs. So I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil gets hot, I'm going to add 2 onions that I've finely chopped. While the onions are getting fried, I'm going to make a special paste. So for this special paste, I've taken 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of clove powder, 1 teaspoon coriander seed powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder and 1 teaspoon anise seed powder. I'm going to add a little more chili because I like my eggs to be a little more spicy. I'm going to mix this well and then I'm going to add a little water to make a paste. This paste is ready. I'm going to keep it aside. Let's fry the onions nice and golden. The onions have turned slightly brown. Now I'm going to add the paste that we had made. Saute it for a few minutes. Now I'm going to add 1 finely chopped tomato. I'm going to saute this till the tomatoes are nice, soft and cooked. Our gravy is almost ready. I'm going to add some salt. Mix this well, saute it for a few minutes. I'm going to add very little water to this gravy of ours. And this is almost done. What I have done here is, I have 3 eggs that I have boiled. I'm going to cut them into halves. And I'm going to place it on a serving platter. And I'm going to simply pour this gravy on the eggs. I'm going to garnish it with some coriander. Our masala eggs are ready. A warm toast or a nice soft fluffy neer dosa will go excellent with this. So do try this recipe and let me know. For such simple, interesting recipes, subscribe to Get Curried.